Hey cool cats and kittens, I'm going to show you a super secret epic tip slash trick that I do with Culinary Crucible when it nears the end of the event. You may think it's a little unhinged, but it works. So first, please draw attention to the fact that I have 551 coins currently, and I have a bunch of recipes that I cannot complete, but a lot of ingredients left. Now, currently, I have my silly little guys out for veggies. I'm currently hunting for chives and only chives because chives and eggs are one of the ingredients in like the smallest thingy mabopper. This is important because it's like you can also do butter, I guess, but it was just more versatile for when I was trying to max these out. And then I stopped. Also, like, fun fact, I only did it this time because I'm bored. But if you're really going for like maxing out your coin, at a point it really isn't worth it to actually try to like 3-star all of them. Little 20 coins, having it build it up to 100, you literally would just get more by just doing whatever recipes you can finish from the get-go. I don't know if that made any sense, but even if you mess up a recipe by putting in the wrong ingredients, you will still get 3 coins because it was so bad, I want to give you a 0. But that's not possible, so I give you a 1. And with that in mind, what I like to do is, spoilers, but I take all of the ingredients that I have, right? I take all of them, all of the ingredients. And of course, I block off the ones that I'm gonna use. So I keep eggs and garlic out of the equation. And then I add up all of the different totals. And then I use math to distribute how I can maximize this. And honestly, this might not be totally right. I just did what was easiest for me in the moment. I saw this was 43, this is 32, have that left over, there's 11. And we just happen to have, boom, 10 here and 1 there. That's all gone. So then we just had this left and these guys, whatever. I should have like 3 pieces of cheese left over or something. I'm not going to show you the whole boring process because, well, I guess I can do like one example. Onion, tomato, boom, send it, skip, cool, whatever. But I still got stuff. 554. I will get back to you when I'm done. I have exactly 3 pieces of meat left and 731 coins. Granted, I have been like harvesting stuff pretty consistently over the duration of this event. So if you're someone who's been kind of casually playing it and like just letting ingredients sit and you have them left over, it's just making the most of it before it all goes away. So it takes a little time. I just have a video playing in the background, but you know, I'm gonna use these to, what was it I wanted?